How to add auto-tune on Soundation. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add auto-tune on Soundation, and this is how to go about it. So the first step is for you to log in into your Soundation account, and then once you're logged in, you're brought to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, the next step would be for you to either create a new project or to select a project that you can work with. All right, so for me, I'll just create a new project in order for me to add auto tune. So by selecting create a new project, you'll be taken to the projects page where you can now add an auto tune. So once that's loaded, next step would be for you to select and drag and drop an audio file with vocals from your computer or from the Soundation library into the studio, into the online studio here. So if you have sound or vocals from your computer, you can just decide to move to the bottom part of the screen, and then you can click on the import audio button in order to import this audio into the studio. Or you can just go to the top right corner of the screen where you can see some icons. Select the first one, which stands for the sound library, and then go ahead to select my sounds. And then if you have no sounds there, go ahead to select sounds and samples from the Soundation library. And then once you found the category of the sounds that you want, you would see sounds that are related to that category. So the next step would be for you to drag and drop this into the studio. So by dragging and dropping the sound into the studio, it will be displayed there. And then once it is displayed, the next step would be for you to double click the sound channel to bring up the bottom panel. All right. So once the bottom panel has been brought up, next step is to move to the left side of the screen, where you can see the add effects option. Then you click on that. By clicking on it, you see a number of effects that has been displayed. So go ahead to select vocal tuner. So by selecting vocal tuner, you can now go ahead to use the settings to adjust the pitch correction. Okay, you can set the root note scale, amount of pitch correction, and glide with tune pitch. So you can see amount, then you can see glide here, right? So you can go ahead to increase it if you want, okay, or you can decrease it if you want. Ensure you pay attention even as you do this. And also the key of the vocal tuner should be set. All right, so you want C sharp, D sharp, or G sharp. Select the one, and then select the kind of key do you want. Do you want to major triad? Just go ahead and select it. Edit all of this, and then once you've gotten the auto tune that you want, leave it that way, and then experiment with these settings to achieve the desired sound, whether it is a natural correction or a more robotic effect. And that way your sound would be ready with the auto tune. Thank you for watching and have a good day.